Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Evening, the esteemed guests on the dais, Mr. Reddy Garu, Mr. Mala Reddy Garu, and other distinguished guests. I'm so privileged that when I asked to come here and talk to you, I see young cyclists and their parents, and how is the Josh? Young kids, how is the Josh? Yes, long time back, actually people say that I have covered Maxwell Travel. That's not actually. When he did the world record, Olympic record, I missed the world record, Olympic record, I was also a college student. I was attracted by Maxwell Travel feats. So I thought when I become a journalist, and God willing I became journalist, I could write on Maxwell Trevor. And I joined News Time in 86, and a few years time I wrote on Maxwell Trevor. I used to remember Maxwell had a brother also, Glenn. They were great cyclists. Lalaguda was a place where you had maximum cyclists and boxers. In Lalaguda, we had this GM International Boxing Championship, where you had some best boxing bouts. Vaisagara, I remember Sultan, some Salim, and so many good boxers. And among them, there were cyclists also. Maxwell had the benefit, had the opportunity to cycle for India, bring glory. But after that, we didn't have any cyclists from the Telangana state. Now I would request the SAT chairman, the Maladi, to revive this cycling in a vigorous way, because you have such a lovely coach in Maxwell Trevor who can take the cyclists to another zone. Because Hyderabad has some lovely sportsmen. Mind you, Hyderabad is famous for biryani. Hyderabad is famous for Salarjung Museum. Hyderabad is famous for the famous sportsmen right from 1956 Olympics or before that. In Olympics in Melbourne, when we reached the semi-finals, we had 8 players from Hyderabad, and out of them, the famous coach, Mr. Rahim, who was a genius, who had the modern technique. He taught about the Caesar cuts and all in those days. So Hyderabad has a big tradition of producing some marvelous sportsmen. And cycling also is one of them. What I would advise the young cyclists, that don't lose hope, because there's always a call. We have 3 P's. 3 P's: patience, perseverance, and positive thinking. Positive patience for what? You lose, you win. You lose, you win. You try to learn from every mistake. You try to learn from when you lose a match. Don't become jealous of others winning. You try to compete with them. Try to bring your best out of it. Then perseverance. Unless you work hard, you can never get a fruit. You work hard, you get a fruit. And always remember, you should be positive thinking. What I can do it. You should not say, oh, he can do it. No. Even Prakash Padukone, you might be not knowing, he is Deepika Padukone's father, who became the first All England champion. He slept on the platforms and went on to become the All England champion. For that matter, Gopi Chand, whose mother used to collect 10 paisa for bus fares, and today where is Gopi Chand? Or today you find Saina Nehwal. Her father used to bring from somewhere from BHL to Lal Bahadur Stadium in a scooter. Today where is Saina Nehwal? She has gone another level. Or go to PV Sindhu, whose father used to stay in the railway quarters. She used to travel 45 kilometers daily in upfront. And when she won the Olympic twice medalist, she had to work for it. What I feel that anything doesn't come without any hard work. You should have the passion to work hard, the drive, the motivation, and suppose you should learn. If your guru or a coach shouts at you, you should not be disappointed. You should work for the next time. Work. Today's medalist, a skill. A coach can teach you the skill to one level. The next level, it is all on your hard work. The basics should be good. You should work on the basics. For instance, Sania Mirza, she became an all-time great tennis player. How? Her father ensured that she could be step by step. And today, Sania Mirza is one of the greatest women's players. So with these few words, I would sincerely advise the young cyclists to be more obedient and most important, please try to be clean, Swachh Bharat. Don't try to throw anything on the ground. Try to keep it in your pocket or dustbin. Second thing, I request the parents to have patience with your kids. And when you drive on the vehicles, please stop at the red signal. I would advise most of the parents don't overtake that. Please go on discipline, the rest will follow. With these few words, I would say, Jai Hind.